I know getting stronger calves can seem impossible, but I'm here to tell you it's not. In today's video, I'm gonna show you all the ways you can get stronger calves. I guarantee after today's video, you'll come out with a game plan to get stronger calves.
Jumping rope is great for your calves. And if you follow all the steps in this video, I'm going to tell you just how and what you can do to make it even better. First, what are the calf muscles? The calf muscles are a large group of muscles located in the lower leg. It consists of two muscles, the gastrocnemius muscle and the soleus muscles. The primary function of the calf muscles is to flex the foot, pointing the toes downward. The gastrocnemius muscle is a two-jointed muscle that acts on both the knee and ankle joint. One of the important reasons why you want stronger calves is to not only absorb the force of your body weight, but strong calves reduce the risk of common injuries like sprains, strains, stress fractures, shin splints, and plantar fasciitis, just to name a few. When you jump rope, you're essentially performing a series of mini jumps. The repeated jumping motion required to use a jump rope helps to build muscle in the calves. This is due to the fact that the jump motion puts stress on the calf muscles, causing them to work harder in order to perform the action. The repeated contraction and relaxation of the muscles helps to build strength and endurance. Over time, this results in the muscles becoming stronger and more defined. Additionally, the constant contact of the feet with the ground also helps improve circulation in the lower leg, which can also contribute to overall calf.
Now, getting bigger calves can be a thing of genetics. Not all of us can get big calves, and some of us just grow up and get them as we become adults. You can control getting more defined, stronger calves. Don't worry about what you can't control, worry about what you can control, and that's getting stronger, more defined calves.
Now let's compare jumping rope to calf raises and see what the difference is in your calf development. A calf raise exercise is considered resistance training, while jumping rope is considered an aerobic activity. Resistance exercise is anaerobic, meaning your body does not need oxygen to produce the energy for the movement. This type of activity is unsustainable for an extended time, as it is high intensity and generally short in duration. Jumping rope is a more sustainable activity that increases your heart rate and blood flow to accommodate growing energy needs. Your body produces the energy for jumping rope using oxygen. The muscles you use for each exercise are different yet similar. Jump rope muscles are recruited throughout your body, but include the muscles used during the calf raises. When you do a calf raise, you are targeting the gastrocnemius muscle and the soleus muscles. Jump ropes work on many leg muscles, including your gastrocnemius muscle and soleus muscle, quads, glutes, hamstrings, and hips. Core muscles are also recruited to keep your torso stable as you jump. The main rule to remember here is if you're trying to get bigger calves, go for calf raises. You can do things like weighted calf raises to help you out with your overall resistance. But if you want stronger, more defined calves, you can use a jump rope to help you do that, and it'll also help you get a great cardiovascular exercise while you're doing it. To get really defined calves, you want to use a combination of both jumping rope and calf raises. Maybe on days where you don't jump rope, do calf raises, and back and forth like that.
These 7 jump rope moves will help you get stronger, more defined calves.
First, we start out with the basic jump. This is easy to perform, and you can do it for long intervals to help you get a good calf burn. Next, we have the front to back or the bell hop. Your body has to dynamically stabilize as you're moving your feet forwards and backward, and this gives your calves an extra challenge targeting more fiber. Side to side improves lateral quickness and explosiveness. Explosive movements can help improve your definition. Next, we have alternate footstep, and this helps improve your calf reaction time. Next, we have the high knee step. This has a higher impact, so it improves your calf strength. Next, we have the single leg jump. It's great for explosiveness and strength because you're putting all your body weight on one leg. Bonus, you get get a little more explosiveness when you're switching legs while doing the one leg hop. Next, we have double unders, and this might be the toughest move out of all of these moves. Higher jumps improve your power and explosiveness. This might be your very best friend when you're trying to develop stronger calves.
Now, as you get stronger calves, you're gonna jump higher. And if you really want to jump higher, check out this video right here. I'm sure it'll help you. And as always, just start. Worry about being perfect later. Peace.